In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify deposit confirmations on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check the status of a crypto deposit, see how many confirmations it has on the blockchain, and understand when your funds become available. First, open Coinbase on the website or in the mobile app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the official Coinbase site or the latest version of the app for the most accurate interface and security. Next, head to your Transactions view. On desktop, you'll find Transactions in the left-hand navigation panel. This screen is your activity hub, showing deposits, withdrawals, and trades all in one place. If your list is long, don't worry. Coinbase gives you filters and search so you can quickly narrow things down by type, currency, or date. Now, locate the deposit you want to verify. If you just send funds, it might appear near the top, but using the search or filter to pick the specific asset can save time. Once you find it, click the deposit entry to open the full details page. This is where the status and blockchain information live. Here, check the transaction status. If you see pending, it means the deposit has been broadcast to the network and is waiting for the required number of blockchain confirmations. If it shows completed, the deposit is fully confirmed and the funds have been credited to your account. Keep in mind that pending doesn't mean there's a problem, it simply means the network is still processing it. About halfway through, a quick note. If you need the official Coinbase website or the mobile app, you'll find a link to the site and the download links at the top of the description. Always use those official links to avoid lookalike sites. Back to the details page. Click View on Blockchain, or a similar link, to open a block explorer for that specific network. There, you can see the number of confirmations, the transaction ID or hash, and the block and timestamp information. Confirmations are essentially the number of blocks that have been mined on top of your transaction. More confirmations mean greater finality. At this point, you simply wait for full confirmation. Coinbase automatically credits the funds as soon as the required confirmations are reached. No extra action is needed from you. Until the status shows completed, the funds won't be available for trading or withdrawal. Timing depends on the blockchain's current activity, network fees, and congestion, not on Coinbase itself, so patience is normal here. And that's it. You've verified your deposit confirmations on Coinbase from start to finish. If this helped, please like and subscribe, check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.